celebrities who fell off. Now y'all know how y'all say celebrities fell off, but in actuality they can't drop music. Now, if you haven't already watched my Celebrities and Illuminati videos. Now a lot of y'all don't know that these celebrities sold their soul for fame. Now it's B-list celebrities and A-list celebrities. Now B-list celebrities don't have to do that much rituals because they only had their fame for like 2 years. But A-list celebrities, the ones that stay famous, those are the ones that have to keep doing rituals and shit behind closed doors. Now do y'all realize how all these rappers just be popping up out the blue? Then y'all forget about them out of nowhere? Like for example, Designer. He had 2016 on lock. He dropped his Panda song, had this little XXL freestyle that went viral. Then everybody just forgot about him. Because after a while, the elites will stop promoting your music because you're not doing no more rituals. So now for the new people that sold their soul, you have to get put on pause so they can get their buzz. Now we all know Fetty Wap. He was big as hell, then all of a sudden we just forgot all about him. And he's still dropping music, but the elites not pushing it no more. Lil Pump blew up out of nowhere. Now all of a sudden we don't hear about him no more. And when the elites don't promote their music, they clout chase.